This lovely piece of memorabilia has come for Black Beauty. Driveshaft Deleted. And just like that, we're back. Just want to make this video and fill you guys in on a few things. If you haven't seen on my Instagram, TikTok, a couple videos I've been posting. If you haven't, make sure to go follow, stay updated through everything. But we actually have had some destruction here on Black Beauty. The drive shaft was fully yeeted to outer space. So I'm gonna sit back and talk to you guys a little bit on exactly what happened, give you a little bit of a story. And surprisingly, when stuff usually happens like this, you never catch the stuff when it breaks on film. And with the split second it happened, we got it right on film. So it's pretty crazy. Gonna be showing you guys that if you haven't seen that yet, giving you a little bit of the background story and what happened. And as you can see here, the headlights are out of the truck. She's on stocks. She's definitely hibernating right now. I'm getting my headlights restored, which I'm gonna show you that. And she's been chilling for now. We already got a one-piece 5-inch aluminum drive shaft on the way from DNR. So we're gonna be getting ready to get that in. We'll make a whole nother video when we start putting that together and whatnot, but it happens. So, but before you know it, Black Beauty will be back and ready to rip. As always, just another little hiccup when building the street truck, I guess. If you guys didn't know, the truck makes around 950 to the wheel, goes to around 1,400 foot-pounds of torque. And I'm glad everything was safe. No one was injured. It is what it is. We're gonna get a piece back together. And like I said, we're gonna be doing some more burnouts, having a good time. And anyone who's building the truck, car, knows how it is. Break it, fix it, repeat. Before we break into the story, if you guys do want to see the destruction actually happen here on Black Beauty, which I'm sure you do, make sure to stick through this video. We're gonna be looking at it in slow motion, exactly how it happened and the whole nine. So get your popcorn ready and let's break right into the story. All right, so where do we begin? First off, sunny as hell, windy as crap out today, but you know how it is. Weather always seems to cooperate when you're making YouTube videos, but let's think, where do we start here? So we're going to film a TikTok video, me and my girlfriend. Emily, if you're watching this, I appreciate you. She's the GOAT. She's 90% of the time the person behind the camera from YouTube videos, TikTok, so I appreciate you. She's been through some fun stuff with me for sure. But we were going to film this TikTok, and the plan was I was gonna be doing a flyby in the video. So we ended up setting up the camera, ready to go, and then I was doing about, I don't know, something light like 359,000 miles per hour in Mexico. Nothing too quick. And mid-pull, cruising, boom, 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 boom. I'm in the truck, I about shit myself. At that point, I just get in fight or flight mode where I just casually coast off to the side of the road, put her in park, get out, make sure I didn't poop my pants. First thing I did was I popped the hood. I was like, please not be my turbo. I checked the hood, everything looked good under the hood, engine was still running good, everything turbo, everything looked good, so I was like, okay. And then I ended up getting under the truck, and I noticed that my drive shaft has just been deleted, never existed. Phew. Outer space, Gonzo Alonzo. And I actually see the drive shaft gone, so I'm like, nice. And then I see my transfer case just sitting on my cross member. So try to get a little view under here for you guys. Mint. Good old T case. Just hanging out here. Before anything, like I said, pulled over, put in park, shut the truck off. I went looking back to see if I could find anything, because Emily, she's filming, and we caught it perfectly on camera, when the drive shaft just explodes off. She was like, what the hell is going on? She thought the truck was about to just explode or something. And this is where this lovely piece of memorabilia has come for Black Beauty. Driveshaft Deleted out of truck. So, went back, found it, pretty much saw at that point, I was just like, I ended up looking underneath the truck. I ended up checking a couple things out. I did notice that broke my overdrive housing right off the transfer case, right off the back of the trans. And there you could see, right off the front of the transfer case, that overdrive housing right on the back of the trans that was just snapped. But we should be able to get a new one of those on the way. But that shouldn't be too big of an issue. So what I'm hoping is overdrive housing, make sure the transfer case is okay. And then I have a 5-inch, like I said, 1-piece aluminum drive shaft on the way with bigger splicer U-joints from DNR Customs. And besides that, from what my quick look under there, everything looked good to go. We waited around for about 3 hours for a flatbed to come pick this thing up, and I was on my wide wheels at the time. Just a little bit of story time, just to give you guys input on what exactly happened. A lot of you guys see the video and you're like, it happened perfect timing. And like I said, it really did. Perfectly split in half, ladies and gentlemen. And I saw some of you guys were commenting, asking if I would ever give this away. For me, I was just gonna keep it, maybe toss it. I don't know, cool little piece of memorabilia, but kind of funny. If any of you guys do want this, let me know. Maybe I could give it away to one of you guys at an event or something like that, but I'll keep it around in the meantime. Let me know. But after the fact is what it is. I had so many of you guys sending me videos of like, welcome to the club with like higher horsepower diesel trucks, shooting your front drive shafts through the floorboard. I saw someone even their drive shaft shot through their bed and put a hole in it. So at the point of what happened for me on this back road in Mexico, everything I guess happened the best way it could have for full yeeting this drive shaft out. So when it breaks, we upgrade. Got the 5-inch on the way. I'm also going to be doing an upgraded front drive shaft as well. And at that point, hopefully we can do some 4x4 launches. But build the street truck, they said. It will be fun. That it will. But a wise man once told me, with a higher horsepower truck with this kind of torque, if something's not going to be strong enough or is going to break, the truck will tell you very quickly. And the drive shaft, it did. It told me it will take no more. So if any of you guys are building a street truck, race truck, whatever you're doing, for me at least, I've tried to overbuild everything for this truck, and everything is. And the one thing I did forget about was the drive shaft, and it told me very quickly. So if you're building a truck, make sure rear drive shaft and front drive shaft is ready to take the power. I feel like a lot of the time it's forgotten about and people don't really think about it. And then stuff like this happens, like what happened to me. So if you guys could take some advice from it, get those heavy duty drive shafts in that can handle the power, and also make sure to stay on top of your U-joints and whatnot. If there's any noise or anything going on like that, make sure to get them changed and stay on top of it, because if not, wearing over time like this is just gonna happen. But once we get those drive shafts in, everything should be built for the power and we should be ready to go. Everything else is already done, so let's hope from there we should be good. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget, like, subscribe, turn the bell on for notifications. We're shooting for 100K subscribers this year, so let's make it happen. Come on, we got tons of rowdy stuff on the way, and we're ready to go, for real. We're gonna get it back and put together, shooting for getting it done before the next Cletus event. But hope you guys enjoy. For any of you that aren't building a truck or just hanging out, I'm glad you get to enjoy the fun of a automotive person like me breaking shit for you. So I appreciate all you guys. Show you guys under the hood real quick. Still looking minty fresh under here. You'll be back up and going before you know it. But while we're waiting for the drive shaft, since it's on back order for a couple weeks, disconnected the batteries, and she's just taking a good old little rest over here. No headlights, stock wheels, dusty. If you guys want to see more of the truck being put back together or what exactly it looks like under the truck and whatnot, let me know. But just wanted to fill you in here a little bit. Like I said, like, subscribe, turn the bell on for notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.